Every runner with steady pace, holding strength for their part in the race. Hands reaching out in perfect time, trusting rhythm, trusting line. One step forward, one breath shared, each one knowing how much they've cared. When the moment comes to run, give your heart till it is done, and pass the light to someone new. Trust they'll carry it through. Together we can cross the miles, linked in purpose, linked in trials. Ho, 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 ho. Baton carried through every hand, part of something strong and grand. Each step taken builds the chain, blending effort, joy and strain. Knowing when to lead the way, knowing when to step away. Strength is found in all we share, in every hand that's waiting there. When the moment comes to run, give your heart till it is done, and pass the light to someone new. Trust they'll carry it through.